In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing your password regularly is a good practice for maintaining your account's security, so let's walk through how to do it step by step. First things first, let's get started by opening your Slack application. If you're on a computer, this is typically done by launching the desktop app or navigating to the Slack website in your browser. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You should see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on your profile photo to reveal a menu. From this menu, select the option that says Profile. This will take you to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, look for a three dots icon, also known as the ellipsis icon. It's usually located next to your name or profile picture. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings. This action will redirect you to your account configuration page, which should normally open in a new browser tab. Once you're in your account settings, it's time to find the password section. Scroll down until you locate that area. It's usually labeled clearly, so it shouldn't take long. To make everything visible, you'll want to click on the Expand button, which is right next to the password section. This will display the fields you need to fill in to change your password. All right, now comes the crucial part, updating your credentials. First, you'll need to enter your current password in the designated field. This step is important because it verifies your identity before you can make any changes. Next, enter your desired new password. Make sure this new password is strong and secure. It's best if it contains a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Also, try to avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. After you've filled out your current password and the new password, take a moment to double-check everything for any typos. A strong password is the first line of defense against unauthorized access, so it's worth taking your time here. Once you feel confident about your new password, look for the Save Password button. This is usually at the bottom of the password section. Click this button to finalize the changes. It might take a moment to process, but once it's done, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been successfully updated. And there you have it. You've changed your Slack password. Remember, it's essential to keep your password secure and to change it periodically. If you run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to check Slack's help resources or support. They can provide additional assistance if needed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and it helps me create more helpful content for you. Until next time, stay secure and keep your accounts safe.